Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Heyday error code 429. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to add people on Heyday. During our research, we were unable to find any official information on the error, but it looks like a new and general issue affecting some users. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to avoid sending too many friend requests in a short time. Sending a large number of requests quickly can trigger this error. So, slow down the number of requests you send and check if this helps with the error. If the error still comes, restart your device along with the internet. Once both are restarted, open the game again and check for the error. If the error still persists, check if you need to update the game. Simply go to your App Store and see if any update is available for Heyday and install it. Once updated, check if this resolves the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.